So the title of my talk will be covering embracing innovation for a sustainable future in cell therapy. So I work for Invetech. My role is chief scientist. Invetech is a design and engineering company with over 30 years of experience in creating solutions for in vitro diagnostics. And since 2003, we have been creating solutions in the cell therapy manufacturing space. This is our mission here. And to sum this up, our mission is really to push the boundaries of what's possible in health and life sciences. We really draw a lot of inspiration from our clients' groundbreaking innovations, which motivates us to collaborate closely with them and drive significant advancements in human health. This commitment to partnership is crucial as we navigate the complexities of healthcare technology, particularly as this applies to the cell therapy space. These unique cell therapies that are being designed and more and more are coming onto the market, it really requires innovative thinking and collaboration to meet the future demands and to increase access to patients. As we know, a lot of these therapies are currently dependent on manual processes, and to scale up, we need to think outside the box and look at creative ways to automate the manufacturing steps. And we are one of those potential partners that can help work through with our clients and address these bottlenecks. So one of our strengths in having over 30 years of experience addressing and creating solutions in the healthcare industry is having experience in both the in vitro diagnostics and the cell therapy space. And we've been seeing that these two segments have been merging and there's a lot of crossover. And due to that, we're able to pull expertise from our engineers, from past experiences on past projects, and from both areas to be able to best benefit our clients. So as you see here, I'm just going to draw your attention to a few areas that are definitely relevant in the cell therapy bespoke manufacturing space that we're pulling from diagnostics. For example, we've been hearing a lot about AI and machine learning. We've already been implementing that in past projects from diagnostics. We also have contract manufacturing. We also have experience in consumable development, cartridge design, prototype delivery, the usage of microfluidics, for example. A lot of these technological solutions we're able to pull in and apply to cell therapy manufacturing solutions. Also, as we approach these cell therapy manufacturing solutions, we have our innovations lab, and that's real human-centered research and design. So we don't just provide an equipment built to meet your specs, but really take into account how is the operator going to interact with this equipment? How is this equipment going to be positioned in the manufacturing facility? In regards to our cell therapy automation, we offer many solutions from off-the-shelf, end-to-end closed and scalable automation, configurable technology, and fully customized solutions. And we're really able to create a solution wherever you are in your automation journey and whatever level of automation you need. And there'll be another slide I'll also touch on, we also have experience in the single-use consumables on the cell therapy front. So we're able to design our own single-use consumables in parallel to the design of the instruments that they will fit on. Building off of that and giving a little more detail into how we approach and how we respond to the needs of our clients, we offer a range of solutions. It can start on the large end, providing the end-to-end closed scalable automation. And that means automating, for example, any existing unit operations, connecting them so that you have a fully automated solution from the beginning to the end. We're able to save time and costs in providing that solution because we also can employ and use some of the off-the-shelf modules that we already have and can build that into that end-to-end automated solution. Or it may be that you may only need that off-the-shelf module. We also have off-the-shelf solutions, such as our counterflow centrifuge chorus. And we have configurable technology where we base future developments off past developments, so things don't need to be built up from scratch. For example, this can apply to our fill and finish solutions or formulation and fill solutions as well. And then we also get clients that'll come to us where there is nothing existing. It's a very unique therapy. It may have very unique needs in regards to automation. And with that, we're able to really come up with innovative, fully customized solutions. And this is where relying on the broad and expertise of our engineers and also the depth of expertise based on the history of projects that we've worked on to really come together and provide that fully customized solution for our clients. As I mentioned, we're also able to provide that consumable development that can accompany the development of an instrument or manufacturing technology. And once again, we're able to draw on our experience in developing both diagnostic consumables and applying that to our cell therapy consumables, as well as being able to provide those standard custom cell therapy consumable type technology involving tubes, bags, and such. One thing I'd really like to speak to is our approach, how we approach these development projects. This slide really emphasizes the importance of rapid iteration and development practices in driving success. Our iterative culture fosters quick learning and adaptation, allowing us to respond effectively and efficiently to project needs. Our ability to provide in-house rapid prototyping enables us to develop solutions swiftly, while the ready-made modules facilitate quick implementation. In addition, we also have an on-site applications lab, for example, that we can test out your biology on our solutions. If there's any concerns or areas for improvement, we're able to go back using that iterative development process and further refine our prototypes. Here we present a case study on our partnership with TreeFrog that really illustrates the journey of a client coming to us that's in the R&D stage, and we're assisting them in being able to move their technology to commercial manufacturing. This is also an example of a client coming to us that really required a fully bespoke solution, that there was nothing currently on the market to be able to address their manufacturing needs. In this particular project, the focus was on developing a closed automated single-use device for industrial bioproduction for stem cell therapies. The way this process works is similar to our other projects where we normally would start with a workshop, and that would be to understand the existing early stage technology. In this case, it was understanding TreeFrog's early stage stem cell encapsulation process and objectives. From that, we are able to identify the technologies to be able to achieve those goals. And then the next step is the prototype development and advancement to beta stage. Following this, we were able to expand that partnership to turn the prototype into a GMP-compliant pharmaceutical-grade production device. We're really excited to be able to co-create this solution with our client, and we're able to develop a GMP-ready solution that was able to meet their commercial needs. As we conclude, I really appreciate your time and listening, and I invite you to engage with a conversation with us. As you see here, here's our contact information. Feel free to reach out for further resources, or if you'd like to discuss any potential collaboration or any bottlenecks that you would need assistance working through. Your insights and your questions are invaluable to us as we explore the future of cell therapy and manufacturing. So we hope you can reach out to us so we can connect and discuss how we can drive innovation in the future. Appreciate your attention today. Thank you.